According to the landscape architecture, the core idea is to try to understand how nature works and integrate those kind of elements like trees, process of the landscape, and also the benefits onto our own design, our own planning. We have the collaboration with other university, inbound and outbound, and we can conduct or tailor-made the course for all of you guys in order to the topic that you are going to do and interested in.
Students can choose and can try to be as a direct experience, not only to achieve the high score in learning or something, but in their future, what they want to do next.
We are the first international curriculum in landscape architecture that require you to study 5 years, and you are eligible to take the license to work in a profession.
We aim to build our students to be like a change agents. When they go out and they do whatever, they will concern about this thing. What we teach our students to do is not only the subject or the knowledge, but is we try to train them to think, have a critical thinking, not only just like read 3 sentences and then, judge it. I always say that come to learn landscape because it's good for your heart. It's good to the world, yes.